Gundam fans, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have a kit here which I will build tonight, the Turn A Gundam from the anime series Turn A Gundam. This kit was released last 2007 and one of the unique Gundam model kit and the Gundam design also, because this kit has a unique silhouette based on the face of this Gundam. It has instead of the V fin on its head, the V fin becomes a mustache for this Gundam, and the design is very odd, not the typical Gundam protagonist design. Actually, it's designed by an American Mecha modeler, I think, Mecha designer, and I find this kit very interesting because when I watched the anime before 2 years ago, this is a good anime for me. It's not that typical war scene from the previous Gundams, and all of the timelines from the previous Gundam series were merged into this Turn A Gundam timeline. So it's just a weird because they have different set of timelines for each series, but this series merged it all. So a unique series. When I watch it, I find it classical and not the typical war Gundam anime battles, something like that. It's much like adventure from the protagonist Lawrence, something like that. So I find the box art design simple. As you can see, in the sides, you'll see the front and rear view of the kit, and you will see the head here. It has a unique instead of V-fin on the forehead, becomes a mustache for this Gundam. Then there's this gun. The gun is really unique, not the typical gun or rifle for other protagonist Gundam. Also, the design of the weapons are, for me, odd looking but unique. So it has a opening hands. The fingers are articulated, and you can see there is a cow instead of a pilot figure. Although there is a pilot figure, but this kit has a unique gimmick here. There's a cow from the box art, where the cow can enter the chest of the Turn A Gundam. Because in the anime, Lawrence put some cow or transported the cow inside the chest of the Turn A Gundam, and I find this very funny. That scene is very funny. On the other side of the box, you can see the pose of the Gundam here. There's a flexible articulation for the knee, with the legs. The hands here can extend gracefully, so like this. There's a opening hatches for the chest, where the missile can pop out and blast off. And the silhouette here, the core fighter also, it's available, and it can be attached to the Gundam's crotch. So there will be the accessories you can see in the side of the box. So now we'll check all the runners and the contents of the box. As we open the box, we can see the manual, the instruction manual here. So it's a colorful manual here. It says WDM-01 Turn A Gundam Ingresa Militia Mobile Suit. and this is the design of the head of the Turn A Gundam. As we open, we can see some Japanese writings here with the Turn A Gundam manga design. So the instruction here, how to cut the runners, knobs. Here are the set of runners. You can see here the counts. I presume that all of these plastic parts will be used, and these are how you build the body, the head, the arms. It says here, and then the poses. You can see the articulation, the silhouette, the opening hatches, the weapons, the posing of the Turn A Gundam. And for the legs, everything here is complete. Okay. And the painting, if you want to paint the Gundam, there's a guide here on what color you will use. So in the runners, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 packs of runners. Okay, we'll start in the runner C. This is a all white runners. For the head, for the shield, the rifle, the pilot figure here, the cow here, and for the core fighter, and for the head part, mostly head part. Here's the runner eye, made of ABS. It states here ABS plastic, so it's like a glossy gray parts for the inner frames. Again, the runner D, all white parts. Runner B, it's a mostly blue parts for the torso, the chest, and the opening hatches. This is a PS runner for the hyperchain spikes here. Then the beam saber runner. I find it that the beam saber is very thin, unlike the usual beam saber for most master grades. Runner F is made of ABS as well, so it's like a dirty white color parts. Runner H, again, it's an ABS type of plastic, mostly gray colors. And Runner G, ABS again, for the shield, for the hands, and other inner frame parts. Runner E, white color plastics. And the last runner, composed of red, gray, yellow, and clear yellow plastic for the head and the core fighter here. It's the Runner A. So now let's begin to build this kit. Oh, before I forget, there's a J runner here for the mustache. Instead of V-fin, this is a mustache design. And there's a chain connector here for the chain spikes. And the chain for the chain spikes here is separated together with a dry transfer decal and the black sticker for behind the eye placement. So So I only found one small sticker here for the head behind the eye, and this dry transfer decals. Okay, let's go. Let's build this thing.